my friend, we're discussing something very, very important. We're talking about why a lot of people fail to achieve what they plan to achieve. You know, January is fast approaching, and a lot of people have written down things they want to achieve in 2026. Some people are still planning on what they are going to achieve, some people are still thinking about it. Do you know that there are a set of people that have started achieving their 2026 goals? There are a set of people that have started doing things that they want to do to make a lot of money in 2026. With three of my close friends, we were talking about what we are going to do in 2026 to make a lot of money. Not just the whole of 2026. We're talking about the first quarter of 2026, how we're going to make over $100,000. And this is not just talking. We're also planning, strategizing, drafting out a lot of things. We don't want to be that set of people that just stop without doing. And honestly, it has been one of those pillars that has really encouraged me to achieve a lot this year alone. Like this year alone, I knew I've been in crypto for a very long time and I wasn't really making money from crypto. But ever since I started taking cryptocurrency very, very seriously this year, a lot have really changed about me, my life, my circle, my mindset. And it's really, really good. And I am hoping for the best. I'm hoping for so much more. When I hear people say I'm going to achieve this in 2026 by January, I'm going to start doing this, I'm just waiting for January before I start doing this, that is what a lot of people are guilty of. I was once guilty of that before. A wise man once said the best time to start something is yesterday, the second best time is now. Like, if you don't start it now, you can never start it. Now is the time you need to start. Stop waiting for January, because January will still come. You won't do anything. You're just saying January because you just want to give your brain that atmosphere of space to just relax. If you start taking up actions right now, by January you'll be proud of yourself, the level which you've gotten to. You'll be very proud of yourself. When I started this YouTube channel, I was so scared. I was very scared. I didn't even know what people were going to say. I just said, I'm going to just put myself out here. No matter what, I'm going to read about topics, I'm going to read about headlines, and I'm going to tell you guys what is happening in the crypto space. And honestly, it has really, helped me in a lot of ways. A whole lot. Because before, I don't know how to face the camera. I don't know how to host a meeting and talk to people. But right now, I do all of this effortlessly. And I'm very proud of myself. I can tell you, I celebrate my wins. I'm very, very proud of myself that I really took up that bold step and started something. Even if I'm not really perfect at it, at least I started something and it's really helping me right now. I can talk on camera, I can talk to people, I can hold meeting online and offline. And 2026, I've started doing a lot of things that will really up my game, put me in higher dimension, meet a lot of people that I can work with. In this video, I just want to quickly tell you a few of the things that I am doing already that is going to change my life in 2026. Like, I've already started implementing every plans that I have. I'm not waiting for January to start, because once I think about it, once I plan about it, I am implementing it straight away. I don't wait for January. I don't have January in my calendar. What I have is every day. I have every day. All right. So a day is an opportunity for me to show myself and be present. Okay. And make a lot of money, because nobody's coming to come and implement any activity for you. You have to do it by yourself. I wrote down some things in my iPad and I just want to quickly share with you guys. These are the things I'm already doing. All right. These are the things that I'm already doing that's helping me to achieve my goals. First thing I have started doing is I set clear goals. All right. I set my goals. I don't set monthly goals. I set daily and weekly goals. All right. I believe if you are able to minimize your time frame, you will work harder. Back in those days, I used to set monthly goals, and I realized that because I had 31 days to figure it out, I usually don't take it serious and I procrastinate a lot. So ever since I started setting daily and weekly goals, it has made me to work, do the things, take actions, do the things I need to do to achieve those things, and has been working perfectly for me. So the best thing for you to do is to set daily and weekly goals. If you're still good at setting monthly and yearly goals, fine and good, but I like to minimize my time and maximize my actions. The number two thing that I'm already doing that will change my life in 2026 and make me make over $100,000 is to develop a growth mindset. It will shock you to know that I have a channel on YouTube here that teaches about mindset, growth, money, finances. Is a faceless channel, and I don't just teach, I also learn, because everything I learn, I like to also pass the knowledge. I'm not the kind of person that hoard knowledge, okay? So I make up my mind every day to learn something new. I read every day. I develop my mindset. I make sure that I'm aligned with the recent things that are happening. I make sure that I grow my mindset every step of the way. I develop my mindset, because the change that you want in your life starts from your mindset. If you don't start changing your mindset on some certain things like finance, life, relationship, growth, you're most definitely not going to change, because the change first starts from your mind before it starts showing off your physical self. So you need to grow your mind in things. You need to read a lot of books. There are audio books that you can listen to. You mustn't carry a book to read. There are audio books you can listen to. All right. I love listening to audio books a lot. Even if I don't have any book right now that I have to read, I know there are several articles online that you can just open your phone and you read. So make sure you develop your mindset, because that is what will set you apart. That is basically what is going to change your life. Your mindset needs to be changed. If your mindset is not changed, your life is not going to change. So your mindset is a very crucial aspect of this. For you to live a very good life next year, for you to make a whole lot of money next year, you need to sit down and change your mindset. It was difficult for me at the initial stage. It was quite difficult for me. But ever since I realized that I can't do anything until I change my mindset, I just started doing it. I started reading books. I started interacting with like-minded people that are of higher level and of higher mindset than me. And since then, I can tell you, I'm not where I used to be before. Honestly, I'm not where I used to be before. And currently where I am now is not even where I want to be. And that is why I keep improving every step of the way. So make sure you develop a growth mindset. That is the game changer. That is what will make you to level up your life. All right. So that is for number 2. The number 3 thing that I think you should do, that I'm already doing, that is changing my life and will make me so much money next year, is to build quality relationships. All right. This is like the game changer. After your mindset is the relationship you keep. Honestly, I am not a friendly person. Like, I don't do friendship much. But ever since I realized that I can't do so much without relationships, I started developing them. I've read books on relationship that is actually teaching me on how to relate with people. You cannot go far in life without quality relationships. All right, when I talk about relationship, I don't mean people that will waste your time, your effort, your resources. I mean people that will add value to your life and people that you can add value to their life also, because to me relationship is give and take. Okay, so you need to build quality relationships that will change your life. I have a group of people that we talk, we read, we pray together, we do so much more in common, and those relationship is really improving my life in every aspect. Okay, so it's best to build quality relationships. There are a lot of gigs that I've gotten, a lot of contracts that I've gotten that are from the unique relationships that I have. So you never can tell. Okay, do not be with people that don't add value to you. Honestly, you're going to regret it. It's best to build quality relationships. This will actually help you scale up in 2026 and make so much money. Your friend can bring deals worth millions of naira to you if they know that you are capable and fit for it. So you need to build such relationships to scale up in 2026. All right, the number 4 thing that I'm already doing that is going to change my life in 2026 and make me over $100,000 is taking calculated risk. A lot of people are in their comfort zone. I remember when I was in my comfort zone, I felt so relaxed. Like doing something extra was like a burden to me. But ever since I started taking calculated risk, I left my comfort zone. I started learning a lot of things. I started meeting people. I started this YouTube channel. Like it was one of those calculated risks that I took because I'm not a type that likes camera and likes putting my face out there. But I felt it's going to be of benefit to a lot of people and to me also. So I left my comfort zone, started creating content. Honestly, it has been really great. So you need to leave your comfort zone. That thing that has always been in your mind to do, you need to start doing it. Really need to start doing it. Do not wait till you are ready. Do not wait till you have everything to start. You can just start with what you have. Honestly, you can start with what you have. That is what I did. You need to leave your comfort zone, do a lot of things, and I can tell you, if you're able to overcome your comfort zone and do the extraordinary, you're going to really change your life in 2026. So this is one of the things I'm already doing. Anything that feels so hard is what I want to do. Like if I feel it's going to be difficult for me, I must find a way to figure it out. Nothing is impossible except you say so. So I see myself as everything that is around me and I want to achieve it. I'm going to do it within my reach. I'm going to do it. I'm going to try until it's being sorted out. So make sure you leave your comfort zone, take calculated risk to achieve your goals, and no better person to do it than you. You need to stand up and leave your comfort zone and do that thing you're supposed to do. You need to just do it. You're not going to die. No, you're not going to harm yourself. You are just going to see that you can actually do that thing and it's going to benefit you. There are a lot of things that I'm doing right now that I never thought I would do. And when I do all those things and I achieve them, I'll be like, Ella achieved this. That's great. So you see that you never know that things are easy until you do them. You never know what you can achieve until you do them. So you really need to leave your comfort zone and start something that's going to help you. So this one that I'm going to tell you, it's more like everybody have been saying it. I don't think if you're on the internet, you've not heard about this one. Learn a skill. You need to learn a skill. All right. So we are already in a global digital space. The internet is not like as it used to be 10 years, 20 years ago. The internet is so broad right now. The internet is bigger right now, and a lot of things are happening on the internet. Basically, everything is happening on the internet, and there is so much money that can be made on the internet. It's just left for you to align, learn, and start making money. Okay, it's not like before that. Before you make money from the internet, it will take you so much. But right now, it's so easy to make money on the internet. It is so easy to make a lot of money on the internet. Positioning yourself to make money on the internet is also easy. You just need to learn a skill, and it is so easy right now. There is so much information on the internet. There is so much information flying around. You can get every knowledge you want from the internet right now without leaving your house. With just your phone, you can learn everything. And why I say everything is there are so much information flying around. So you can go on the internet, pick a skill and learn. There are thousands of digital skills that you can learn from the comfort of your home, implement them and start making money. You need to learn a digital skill, and this is one of the ways that you can earn thousands of dollars without leaving the comfort of your home. So if you want to make so much money, if you want to make so much dollars, you need to learn a digital skill, which is what I'm also learning. All right, I'm also doing that because it is very important. Apart from selling online, make sure you learn a digital skill. Selling online is good, all right? Selling online is very good. But the best thing that you can actually do is to learn a digital skill. I can tell you, you become an asset when you have a digital skill, because right now we are in a digital space. To be left behind because you don't have a skill, you don't know how to maneuver the internet and make so much money out of it. So learning a digital skill is going to put you at the forefront of any money. There are so many skills that you can learn. Make sure you learn the relevant ones free of charge. And if you start implementing them before the end of 2026, I can guarantee you're going to make a lot of money. Just learn a skills. When I mean relevant skills, I mean the ones that are still trending, that are still in high demand. We have skills like video editing. Video editing is one of those digital skills that is in high demand. And if you take 3 months and learn digital skill, by January you should be making a lot of money. You mustn't sit around waiting for whenever. Start now, and I can tell you, you're going to be making money. Few other things that I do, these are bonus points and it is personal. They are the things that you do. You might decide to take this one because to me it's personal. You might decide to leave them. Few other things are creating a budget. You need to create budget. Okay, you need a budget for everything. Okay, so make sure that you don't just spend recklessly. Okay, make sure you budget everything you do. Save, invest in quality things. Okay, invest in quality things because you cannot just be making money and you're being wasteful. The other things are gratitude. All right, so you need to be a grateful person or live a positive life. Free your mindset, free your mind from so much thing. Be positive, place gratitude in everything you do, and also take care of yourself. Self-care is very important because you don't want to make all the money without a healthy body, so you need to take care of yourself. In as much as you're grinding to make a lot of money in 2026, you need to be alive to enjoy the money, so you need to take care of yourself. Make sure that you take care of yourself, your physical, your emotional, your psychological self. All right, make sure you take care of yourself. Go for checkups, eat right, live well, look out for the people around you, and be happy. With everything I've said so far, I believe you can actually make over $100,000 with them. I believe so, yes, because that is my plan, and I would love to have a kind of community of people that are ready to achieve this next year. If you are interested and you want a community of people that will look out for you, also a community of people that will be accountable to, you can email me. All right, I'm going to create a little community where we are going to stay together and achieve all of this. Make sure before you email me, you're very serious about it and you're very serious about changing your life and making over $100,000 in 2026. That is the plan. All right, we don't want people that are not serious, so your seriousness will determine your stay in the community. I will limit it to few people. I don't want crowd because I really need serious people. All right, so if you want to be part of this community, you can send me an email and tell me you want to be part of it. It is free of charge. I'm not going to take so much people, so if you're sending me an email, just indicate what you're sending me an email for. If it's about this, just indicate group mentorship or group partnership, and I'm going to respond to you. I believe with all of this, if you take all of this seriously, by 2026 you should be making a lot of money. All right, I'm already making money, okay, but I want to scale up. Okay, $100,000 is huge. Okay, send me an email if you're interested in the group. Send me an email, I'm going to respond to you. All right, so that'll be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying to this moment. If you find this content engaging, please do well to subscribe, like, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video.